Subscribe and press bell icon to get latest updates.
So guys, we have just passed the Pargaon and we are right now we'll be getting into the Shirura Ghat and Ghat starts now. So enjoy the route, enjoy the ride. So that's it guys, now the descending part is started. just passed the Satara. We are just ahead of the Satara, a kilometer ahead from the Satara city, and now we are heading towards the Karad. Karad is around 60 kilometers from Satara, so it would take another hour or 45 minutes to reach over there. And in between, I'll be searching for the ATMs, as I am not carrying a cash with me right now. Right now we are like 5 kilometers ahead from Karad. We are at right now Pachwad Fata, and the Pachwad Fata road will take us directly to the Ratnagiri. This is the Pachwad Fata, the Ratnagiri. Yup. And this is the Pachwad Fata. We have to take left from here, and now this route will take us to Ratnagiri. So right now we have passed Malkapur, and we would have covered around 5 to 10 kilometers after Malkapur. And once we reach the Malkapur, then the road conditions are pretty good, and we'll be able to maintain the 80 to 100 speed on this route. There is a little bit traffic on this route, means road is not totally empty. You will get traffic in between, and some villages are also there on this route, so you have to, means you will not able to maintain this constant 100 or 80 speed. You have to slow down for lots of the time, but road is pretty good after Malkapur. So yeah.
Hello guys, and extremely sorry for the background noises which are coming from all over the woods around the place. We are just ahead of Malkapur, few kilometers ahead from Malkapur, a village called in Amba. We have ate here some misa and solkadi. Now we will be continuing our journey towards Ratnagiri. Yeah, wait for the surprise. There is a very big surprise in Ratnagiri for you guys, and I am really excited for this. Thank you guys. See you in Ratnagiri, and this place name is Sri Sai Hotel on Amba Road, in Amba village, on the road from Malkapur to Sakhargawa or something. Local guys over here told us that from here onwards we will be having a ghat route, and there won't be any restaurants or hotels in that patch. So Ratnagiri is around 85 kilometers from here, and the place which we are gonna visit is 5 kilometers from Ratnagiri. So total distance we have to travel is 90 kilometers remaining. See you in Ratnagiri now. Yeah. And one more thing, enjoy the route, enjoy the ride. Bye guys. See you on the road.
So we have just left from that restaurant where we have ate misa and solkadi, and look what we are right now. This is awesome view behind us.